They say every heart carries two flames, one that warms and one that burns. This is the story of a girl who almost let her light turn into a shadow. In the golden city of Orovale, two best friends grew up together, Lena and Mira. Lena was a quiet painter, her hands always stained with color. Mira was a singer, her voice so beautiful it could melt the morning frost. They were inseparable. They laughed, dreamed, and promised to chase their passions side by side, no matter where life took them. One summer, the city announced a grand talent festival. The winner would earn a scholarship to study under the royal masters. Both Lena and Mira entered. Lena would paint. Mira would sing.
As they prepared together, Lena smiled on the outside, but deep inside, something began to stir. A strange, heavy feeling she had never felt before. Why does her light always shine brighter than mine? That night, Lena worked on her final painting, her masterpiece. It showed two girls holding hands, surrounded by golden light. It was a tribute to their friendship. But when she heard Mira practicing outside, her voice echoing like music from heaven, that strange feeling grew louder. A small whisper formed in Lena's mind. No one will even notice your painting when she sings. You'll always be in her shadow. Lena froze. Her brush trembled. The paint smeared across the canvas. And suddenly, jealousy took root. Later that night, Lena walked past Mira's practice room. On the table, she saw a golden locket, the one Mira always wore during performances. It was her good luck charm, a gift from her late mother. Lena stared at it for a long time. Her heart raced, her hand shook. Just for one day, without it, she'll be nervous. Maybe she'll falter. Maybe I'll finally have my moment. And with trembling fingers, she took the locket. The next morning, the festival grounds sparkled with color and excitement. Crowds filled the plaza. Musicians tuned their instruments. Painters arranged their canvases. Backstage, Mira searched frantically. My locket! I can't find it! I never sing without it. Lena looked away. Her heart pounded. Maybe you left it at home? When Mira's name was called, she stepped onto the stage. Her hands were shaking. Her voice quivered. The song that once soared now cracked under fear. The crowd whispered in disappointment. Then came Lena's turn. She revealed her painting, a stunning work filled with light and emotion. The audience gasped. Even the king nodded in admiration. Lena smiled. She had finally won. But as the cheers echoed, her heart didn't rise with them. It sank, heavier and heavier. After the festival, Lena found Mira sitting alone behind the stage. Rain began to fall softly. Mira's eyes were red from crying. I failed. I let everyone down. But I'm so happy for you, Lena. You truly deserved to win. Lena froze. Those gentle words pierced through her like arrows. She wanted to feel proud, but all she felt was guilt. That night, back in her room, she looked at her winning painting. Something was different. The two girls in it, once smiling in sunlight, had changed. One stood in darkness. The other's light was fading. Lena touched the canvas. It was warm. And then she heard it, a soft, whispering voice from within the painting. Kindness gives light. Jealousy steals it. Unable to bear it any longer, Lena ran through the storm, clutching the golden locket in her hand. Rain poured down, cold and unforgiving. When she reached Mira's house, she knocked on the door, soaked to the bone. Mira opened it, surprised. Lena fell to her knees, tears mixing with the rain. "I took it. I took your locket. I wanted to win. I was jealous, and I'm so sorry." Mira stared at her, shocked. Then she stepped forward and hugged her. "You could have kept it, but you didn't. That means your light is still alive." Lena cried harder, her guilt washing away like rain on stone. The next morning, Mira sang again, not for judges, not for fame, but for her friend. Her song was soft and warm, filled with forgiveness, and beside her, Lena painted, capturing that moment of pure light. No competition, no envy, just love. Weeks later, the King's Council announced something unexpected. Both Mira and Lena would receive scholarships, one for her voice, the other for her art. When they stood together under the rising sun, Mira smiled at Lena. "It's strange, isn't it? When we share our light, it grows brighter, but when we try to steal it, it fades. I understand that now. Kindness isn't about being better than someone else. It's about being brave enough to love, even when it hurts."